Okay, we're here outside of Forest Park. I'll take you inside. So it's this unit here, which is an end unit in the middle of a few different buildings. But I will say that this is probably the nicest unit I've been in here at Forest Park. I sold 2 here, one just a few months ago, and one about a year ago now. And the views from this unit are just even better than those, even though one was also a front row. So when you first walk up, you notice the view right away before you even enter the home. All right, then you walk in, you have a seating space, shelves, put your things down, put your boots on before you leave, and the view just catches your eye right away. To your right, we've got a coat closet and a half bath for this level. And then when you go down this hallway, this takes you to the garage. One car garage, I've seen people add extra shelving up high for more room. And there's also a closet out here as well. It's a decent size. It's locked right now, so I can't show you the inside of it. And come back in. And again, your eye just goes to these views. They are breathtaking. So it's overcast. We're about to get a storm, but usually it's even prettier when the sun's out. Another thing I really like about this unit is the decks are a lot larger than most units. Most units would only go to about the window here, while this one goes all the way down and the lower patio is the same. And what's particularly nice is you get buffalo, bam, or in a lot of the other buildings, even if you're on the end, you're looking directly at another building. And here you're not, you're spaced forward just enough. You can see parts of Lake Dillon in the distance as well, just over that building there, right there. Tons of wildlife back here too. You're bordering national forest. And you can see a lot of people walk their dogs through here, and there's tons of trails that go all the way out. So you wouldn't even have to drive anywhere. All right. This home's also in really good condition. If you remember the last one that we saw, that was a rental, is very poorly taken care of. This home is in much better condition. And again, because this is an end unit, your views from the couch are looking straight at Buffalo Mountain, which is awesome. And tons of people ski that mountain, usually on this side. So you'd be able to see that from here, which is really cool. You just can't beat these views. Gas insert fireplace, turns on flick of a switch. Wood floors are still in good condition. These are your dining room views here. And then there's more seating at the bar here in the kitchen. And the kitchen looks to be original, but it again is in really good condition. Looks like they've stayed on top of it for the most part. Original appliances. Plenty of room for you to remodel, put your own stamp on things. Okay, then I'll show you the master first. So we'll go upstairs. And again, not all units are on the end and have this awesome view of Buffalo. So every time you go up and down the stairs, you'd have this awesome view. And this whole floor is the master. High ceilings, skylight, killer views, walk-in closet. It's pretty large. Plenty of room for more shelving in here as well. And here's the master bath. Again, all original, but it's in really good shape. All right, now I'll take you to the downstairs, which has another bedroom. It's like a junior suite where it has an ensuite, and then a third bedroom along with one more bathroom and the laundry room and some additional storage. So you come down the hall, straight ahead is the ensuite, the junior suite. To the left, we have the laundry room and additional storage. Full bath. That's just the linen closet, and then the last bedroom.